Ever wondered why hiccups happen? It's all about the diaphragm, the muscle that helps us breathe. When it suddenly contracts, it causes a quick intake of breath, resulting in that familiar hic sound. While often harmless, frequent hiccups can be a sign of underlying health issues. Scientists have discovered that certain breathing techniques can help control them. By taking slow, deep breaths, you can calm the diaphragm and reduce hiccup frequency. This simple method is backed by research and can be a game changer for those who experience hiccups regularly. Try it next time you feel a hiccup coming on.